Why are there so many wrenches? Oh, we could take that.
What do we use it for?
I don't know. We can make something out of it.
And out of what?
I don't know. Hey guys, it's Kylie and Delaney. And we're back with
Basketball.
BFF Delaney and Kylie. So we are actually at
It's like a basketball, shaped like a basketball.
we're at Lainey and I's grandpa's house. Well, I mean it's kinda like both of ours because me and her are sisters. So yeah, sisters.
What? That cat, sorry.
Okay, sorry guys, I just there was a cat and it creeped me out. So yeah, we are like in the woods kind of, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Well, we're not in the woods. Show them over here.
Oh yeah,
The building.
we have these things. So yeah, guys, we're trying to go for some. Wait, the bike is over where the trash is. So should we take it up back over there?
Why? It's fine.
I know, but just like.
Did I move my it's fine. No one's gonna take it.
Here, maybe we can put it over like here.
Well, we're watching it, so you don't.
Yeah, I know, but we might go back over there. So.
Yeah, just bring it with you. That's a mountain bike, so it can ride back there. Mine can't. So I feel like drag mine.
Alright guys, so we're just gonna do some stuff. No, what? I hate that this is a mountain bike. I'm gonna drop this phone again. Okay, so guys, we're just gonna go like over there. Oh, there's some kids over there. Huh? Okay, anyways. Here, let's just put it here.
He said I followed you. Yeah, that's so kind of. Look, it's an army guy. It's an army guy.
It's like Toy Story. Like,
Yes,
seriously,
Toy Story.
guys.
Like, toys are everywhere back here. You want to follow the trail?
Yeah, let's see where
It ends like right there, though.
And just, oh my god, it's still following us.
We're exploring. Oh, I see a kitty cat.
Where? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Guys, shh. See you guys in a second. Okay, guys, so sorry about if you hear that weird kid screaming. We see a cat. I don't know if you guys can see him. Zoom in a little bit. Zoom in a little bit.
There's some stuff around here
Come here, pup.
that is very sharp and could hurt you.
I don't know if you guys can see,
No, get your ass up here now. Get up here.
but I don't know if you guys saw that. That cat is so cute, Lainey. So, I mean, I don't think they saw it.
I can't go any farther.
Why?
Because I don't want it.
Come on, Lane. Don't be scared.
Yeah.
We just gotta make sure we remember our way. Okay, guys, so we are trying to find that cat. Lainey ran off this way somewhere.
I don't think.
Ow.
I don't think we should go any farther.
Lane, it's fine. Why is I remember the boogeyman does not exist, guys. Comment down below if you guys think the boogeyman exists. Oh, I see him. He's moving. Lainey's over here. Come on. You just stay there. No.
Yeah.
If you guys can see that black thing over there kind of moving, I don't know. There's deodorant over here. The cap off. Okay, yeah. Lane, let's go, here. Try and go over there, Lainey. So, guys, we will see you guys in a second. Ow. We're trying to get back over there, so we'll see you guys in a second. Oh. Didn't work, guys. Okay, guys, we're back. So we found some flowers, and we're a little bit deeper into the woods, I guess you could say. Yeah, so this was the last spot we saw the kitty cat over. Oh, look, it goes over there too, Lanes. Lane, how are we supposed to get out from here and go all the way over there? Oh my god, I see it! And Laney. Okay, guys, I don't know if you guys see that little cat right there, but I'm gonna try and get closer. Oh my eye! Well, yeah, I don't know if you guys see that. Oh my eye, though! Come here, little kitty.
There are thorns.
There's See it? It just went in. Ah, there's thorns. Ah. Frick this thing. I'm getting out of here. We'll see you guys once we get out of this death trap thing. Ow! Okay, guys, so we are back investigating. I don't know if you guys saw that cat, but it's like a black and white one. So if you guys are missing some cats, we're good. Hopefully. It's a fence. Lane, there's a fence. Guys, there's a fence.
There's a fence blocking us, so we can't get in. Oh, the fence is open.
Let's go. Let's go explore more. Here, Lane, you take over because I keep saying.
Why is there a foam block?
Oh,
A freaking. Ugh, it smells. No, put that down. It smells.
someone peed on it 500 times.
It smells like puke. Honestly, it does. AC is everywhere. There's probably about like I'd say about 25 buildings back here. Honestly, if we had like wearing like long sleeves, like see, I'm bare skin. Kylie's bare skin, but I'm wearing pants.
And I'm wearing a freaking skirt, guys. Skirt.
A skirt. Oh yeah. A skirt and a shorts.
I'm gonna use the TikTok for music. Like I'm gonna.
Okay, so another piece of glass. Bikes. I think we should. Oh, I found a good spot. Kylie, follow me. Right there, putting on music. Okay. Look, there is a freaking art box. Look.
So guys, we just keep finding. What is that?
Oh my god. This is like a freaking projector that you can project on your ceiling or wall.
Want it?
There's a bracelet, pencil sharpener, whatever this is.
Hot mother.
Someone even made a lava lamp, and they're getting rid of it. There's lip gloss, Shopkins, nail polish.
Oh my god.
Oh my freaking god.
God, if you want some free stuff, come on down here.